Can you get Rocky? Mochi, get Rocky. Where's Rocky? Get Rocky. Oops. Where are you guys? Come on. Where are you? Where's Rocky? Rocky? Hi, Mochi. Hi, Mochi. Hi, Mochi. Yeah. Hi. You're so cute. Who's the cutest little dog? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Where's your toy? There's Rocky. There's Rocky. Get Rocky. Get Rocky. Get Rocky. Can you get Rocky? Where are you? You're interested in who's in the mirror. Where's your toy? Where's your toy, guys? We're interested in my slipper. Go get him, Rocky. Won't you get Rocky? Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Go get Rocky. Mochi, get Rocky. Who's a good dog? What you doing? You are busy playing. You are. You are. Where you going? What you doing? Where's your toy? Where's your toy, guys? Where you going? There's Rocky. There's Mochi. Come here. Come here, guys. Come here. Hey, where's your toy? What you doing? Come here. Come here. Mochi. Mochi. Are you hiding? Are you trying to eat the scale? Oh, you found a toy. Who's got the toy? You guys are playful puppies. They're in the expression. Mochi. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oops. Did I knock you over? Did I knock you over? Who's your cutest little boy? Are you the cutest little boy, huh? Alrighty. You're teething now. You're chewing on my finger. Let's go to a toy instead. All right.